you have the baby Yoda?
Yes. Kids to kids. Welcome back to World Finals. Today, Ultra Loco is racing on Monster Jam freestyle. Woo! Yeah! Let's go, Ultra Loco. And donut. Let's hit the jump again. Now let's do this. Oh, save it, save it, save it. Oh, go in there. Yeah.
Save it, save it!
Yeah! Donut! Go in the air! Save it! Oh! That's it for the ride with Max T. With Ultra Loco.
Call in the dirt squad.
Here we go. New one, blue dog. Come here, Ultra Loco. We'll be fixed in no time. Put that on his wall. Everything's ready. Next up, Fire Max T. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. All right, baby. Let's do this. Damn, yeah, say good to me. Donut. Yoo-hoo.
Max D, there is a bounty out for you, Max D. I'm here to collect. You're wanted. Come here, guy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. Shh. Come here, you. Come here. Ah.
No, 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 no.
You're coming with me. You're coming with me, guy.
No.
No.
You're coming with me.
No. Come back, Mandalorian, with our friend.
No. Sorry, guys. Darth Vader wanted, but I have to take him back.
Mandalorian, I see you have brought somebody.
Yes, I have brung a pirate's curse from the sea he was hiding from.
Very good. Have your reward, a cookie. The best cookies I've ever made. Thank you, Mandalorian. I will take this and put that in my collection. Who is next?
I am awesome.
Brown Mandalorian.
I brung Gravedigger the Legend.
Gravedigger the Legend is worth 2 cookies and a chocolate bar for you.
He's a rare one.
He is very rare. Here is your cookies and chocolate bar. Let's take him. Stormtroopers, take him into my collection. Who's last?
I am. I found him in a ship and I froze him.
Oh, you froze him in carbonite. Very good, Mandalorian. Max D fire is very, very special.
Thank you.
I will give you the whole plate.
No, I want Beskar medal.
Oh, you want Beskar medal, do you?
For
your Mandalorian suit, here is your Beskar.
Thank you.
Wait. I have one more mission for you. One last mission. Very hard mission.
What's it?
Do you want to accept it?
Yes.
This is a homing beacon. This will show you where my next victim is. He's very careful. He's 50 years old. He is the strongest person I've ever asked you to collect.
Okay, I accept you.
Thank you. Please bring him back quickly. Please, I will give you all the Beskar metal you want. 400 pounds.
Okay. This sounds really special and fragile. Bye. Bye. Oh no, I'm running out of battery. I'm shorting out. Wait, this is the flip. Oh no, about landing. Oh, soft landing. Just got my gun just in case. What is this world? Where am I? I'm in the middle of nowhere. Woo! Lots of whatever these things are called. Oh look, there's a sloth. Oh look, there's a goat. Huh, so strange. What is this? Who's that? What? Who's that I hear? A baby Jedi. Aw, she's so cute. Aw, she's so cute. No, here's some cookies. Good, Jedi. More cookies if you don't slice me. What the heck in the world? I'm not gonna get you to Darth Vader. Hi, Darth Vader.
Do you have the baby Yoda?
Yes.
Bring him to me.
No.
What? You must bring him to me. What are you talking about? No, I want him back right now.
No, because I like him. He's a baby. You didn't tell me he was a baby.
No, I don't care. I paid you. Bring him the baby to me.
No!
No, don't you hang on.
I love you, baby Yoda.
Ah, I can't believe it. I'm so mad. I have to get someone else to get that baby Yoda for me. Who can help me find baby Yoda in the Mandalorian?
I can help.
Queen Elsa and Sparkle Smash. You can help me?
Yes.
Here, take this and you go find baby Yoda.
Okay. Hey, what's that noise? Oh, it's a frog. Do you want to see the frog? No! Bad baby Yoda, bad baby Yoda. Don't eat the frog. They're nature. They're part of nature. How dare you!
I want another frog.
No way!
Okay.
He's right over here. I'm going to get you. Come on, baby Yoda, get in there. Dodo. Now my favorite coloring book. Oh, let me go here. Yoda, he's gone. Hurry, I gotta open up and go. No, no. What is it, baby Yoda? Baby Yoda? Whoa! What? Hey, baby Yoda, let me down! Baby Yoda, let me down! Get me out of here! Who are you? You're an amazing baby! What? What? Wait, what? What? My ship is fixed! Why? Again? Holy guacamole, who is this? I'm not sure where we should go, baby Yoda. I don't care, I'll keep you safe. Please subscribe and watch more videos on my channel. Kiss to kiss.